50-30-20 budget rule is an intuitive and simple plan to help people reach their financial goals. The rule states that you should spend up to 50% of your after-tax income on needs and obligations that you must have or must do. Needs are those bills that you absolutely must pay and are the things necessary for survival. These include rent, car payments, groceries, insurance, healthcare, minimum debt payment, and utilities. These are your must-haves. Now, the remaining half should be split between 30% to everything else that you might want and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Wants are all the things you spend money on that are not absolutely essential. This includes dinner, movies out, that new handbag, tickets to sport events, vacations, the latest electronic gadget, and ultra high-speed internet. Finally, try to allocate 20% of your net income to savings and investments. This includes adding money to an emergency fund in a bank savings account, making contributions to a mutual fund account, and investing in the stock market, etc. This rule is a template that is intended to help individuals to manage their money and save for emergencies and retirement. So keep planning, keep investing, and stay safe.